morning, everybody, and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. And I am in the thick of it. I've got a lot of products to make before a couple of more of my events, and then I got sold out because of some wholesale orders. So the best thing for me is to write down exactly what needs to be done so I can visually see it. And then I start listing them off by priority and the different resources that I need, such as if I need to make shower steamers, but I ran out of menthol crystals, for example, true story. I can look at them and then place them on my calendar properly so that I'm not overwhelmed. So this morning, that's what I'm going to be doing, trying to get my life in order. Now that I've written out a plan to get my life together, or at least the rest of today together, I have some sugar scrubs that I need to go ahead and make. So once my foaming bath mix cooled down to below 150 degrees, I went ahead and added my preservative in there. I apologize, I did not get that on camera. I did not press the record button. And I let it sit for a few hours, and now I'm going to mix everything together, and I'm going to use this to make my sugar scrubs. It's like a really thick whipped cream texture, and I love it. I love it. This is the perfect consistency. And let me get to measuring out how much foaming wet base I'm gonna need for these next sugar scrubs.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. Patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
And then this happened. Word of advice, don't be like me. Don't have your cords in the way. I tripped over my cord and I knocked over my liquid ingredients. It's just so frustrating when that happens, when you spill everything. And I'm a natural clumsy person, so I should really practice making my products with a little bit more caution and common sense. So that money is just down the drain.
I'm gonna love somebody else. Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. Patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah.
This is definitely a lot of sugar scrubs to have made today. I've got pink sangria, cafe latte, Caribbean teakwood, date night, and eucalyptus mint. And these are going to match my body butters that I made a few days ago. So now let's get some labels on these bad boys so I can update my inventory. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
We have company.
Pop company.
No, you're my company.
No, you're my company.
You're my company.
What's this?
Sugar scrubs?
Sugar.
Sugar scrubs. Oh my goodness. I try to make the best of my time. So I ordered some groceries from online just to have them delivered here because I was upstairs working on the sugar scrubs. I'm going to put this stuff away. Hey, Breeze. Did you find the elf on the shelf?
Huh?
You found the elf?
Yeah.
What are you doing, silly? Oh my god. You got bubbles all over your face. Let me see your bubbles. Oh, wow.
I got that little.
I'm over here eating ice cream that I don't need to eat because this dude over here stole my seat. Thanks, Breeze. Okay. What are you doing? About to eat? Colonel's about to eat. He just came back from the gym. He's always at the gym. Work, school, gym. Work, school, gym. Work, school, gym. Thank you all for tuning in for another episode of VLOGMAS while I made these foaming sugar scrubs. If you want the recipe to that whipped soap base, it's going to be posted on my Patreon, which is also listed in that description box below. Please give me a huge thumbs up if you like this content, and please hit that subscribe and notification button so you can be notified anytime I post new content. And I want to give a huge shout out to all my Patreons. Thank you for your support and your patience. And thank you for joining me for another day of VLOGMAS. And I'll see you all back tomorrow.